In this video, we welcome Dossa Locuzzed to the Big Question series, and they give us 5 tips to succeed in the music industry. Let's jump into it. Hey, it's Graham Farmer from Data Transmission, and if it's your first time joining us on YouTube, we give out tips and advice to DJs and artists to help you get further in the music industry. On our Big Question series, we welcome people like Andy C, Camel Fat, Roger Sanchez, Little Louis Vega, and many more. Each time we ask them their big question and try and get some of their wealth of experience out for you, the viewer. Before we jump into today's video, I'm sure you saw the other day my 100-day challenge where I'm joining Marky from Ibiza Club News, the Daily Mew, and more. Basically, we're doing this massive 100-day challenge. My challenge is to grow this YouTube channel to 100,000 followers. So if you get value out of this content, please share it, please like it, please subscribe to the channel. There's loads more coming. I've spent a week building a massive content schedule, and we're going to be pumping it out regularly. In this video today, Dossa Locuzzed giving you 5 tips to how to succeed in the music industry. Those that witnessed Dossa Locuzzed before, you'll know that they have been pioneering a new funk-infused subgenre of drum and bass. They've been supported by people like Andy C, DJ Marky, Friction, Dimension, and loads more. So they're perfect to kind of give us some tips on how they're succeeding in the music industry. So let's jump into this. So guys, give us your 5 tips, please.
Yo, this is Dossa Locuzzed, and we're in for Data Transmission to reveal our 5 tips for the music industry.
Number 1 is have a clear vision. Have a clear vision of what you want to do. You should always keep in mind what your goal is. And according to that, every steps you make should make sense for the end goal. This is especially important for tip number 2.
Keep your artistic integrity. No one knows better about your vision than yourself, so make sure to stay in line with that, whatever you do. There probably will be a point in your career where someone is gonna tell you what to do because they make money out of that, or just wanna push you in a direction. But again, it's really important to keep your vision upright and do whatever you want, especially since these persons who are potentially telling you this weren't there when you started making music at all, so yeah.
Number 3 is keep staying busy, keep doing stuff. It's easy to have your very first achievements and think like, okay, now I've made it. I don't have to care about my DJ sets, about whatever. Always keep busy, always set yourself new goals and try to reach the next step.
Also, it's very important to build a network. By that we not only mean building a network out of artists you could send tunes to and gather feedback from, but also talk to as many people as you can, promoters, label bosses, managers, whatever, and you might come in a position where these people can help you, so it's better to have them than not having them on the line, right?
Number 5 is be patient. Don't rush anything, don't rush your very first release or your very first exclusive deal. Things just take time. I mean, both of us have been making music for over 10 years now, and it has only been the last few years that we think things are moving. So yeah, just be patient and stay on it.
That was it. We hope we could help you out with our tips for the music industry. Thanks for having us on The Big Question. Big ups, Data Transmission, and yeah, stay funky.
Thanks again for joining us on Data Transmission's YouTube channel today and our Big Question with Dossa Locuzzed. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, please share it with other DJs and artists. Tomorrow we launch our brand new DJ tip series. We're starting with Spotify, why you need it and why you should be using it as an artist. So watch out for that. I've been Graham Farmer. I'll see you again next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.